Theo, why are you carrying that big umbrella? It is not raining today.
I know, Maya, but I am confused. I want to go to the park later. Should I bring this umbrella or take this umbrella?
That is a very good question. Many people find these two words difficult.
Exactly. My brain is spinning. I want to be correct.
Do not worry. We are going to help you and everyone watching today.
That sounds great. But before we explain everything, I want to say something important to the people at home.
What is it, Theo?
If you like learning English with us, please subscribe to our channel, Sidekick English.
Yes, and please click the like button and share this video with your friends who also want to speak better English.
It really helps us make more videos for you. Now, Maya, please help me with my umbrella problem.
Okay, Theo. Let us look at the word bring first. We use bring when something moves toward the speaker.
Toward the speaker? So toward you?
Yes. Think about this room. You are here with me. If you come to my house, you bring your umbrella here.
Okay. So if I am at my house and I call you, I say I am bringing my umbrella to your house.
Exactly. Because you are moving toward the place where I am, or where the action is happening.
I see. So bring is like the word come?
That is a perfect way to remember it, Theo. Come and bring go together.
Bring it here. Come here. It makes sense.
Now let us look at the word take. We use take when something moves away from the speaker.
Away? Like going to another place?
Yes. If you leave my house to go to the park, you take your umbrella with you.
So take is like the word go?
You are very smart today, Theo, yes? Take and go together.
Take it there. Go there. This is much easier than I thought.
Let us try an example. Imagine we are having a picnic.
I love picnics. I love sandwiches and juice.
Me too. So if I am already at the park and I call you, what do I say?
You say, Theo, please bring some sandwiches to the park.
Perfect. Because you are coming toward me at the park.
But if I am at home talking to my mom, I say I am taking some sandwiches to the park.
Exactly. Because you are going away from your house to the park.
This depends on where the person is standing then.
Yes. It is all about the direction of the movement. Bring is for here, take is for there.
I had a very funny situation last week, Maya.
Oh no! What happened, Theo?
I went to a party at my friend Lucas's house. He told me, Theo, please bring some music.
That sounds normal.
Yes. So I brought my old guitar. But when I arrived at the party, I realized I forgot my bag at home.
So you brought the guitar, but you did not bring your bag.
Exactly. I had to leave the party to go back home. I told Lucas I am going to take my guitar back home and then come back.
Wait, did you say take your guitar back home?
Yes, because I was at the party and I was going away from the party to my house. Is that correct?
Yes, Theo. That is 100% correct. You took the guitar away from the party.
And then when I was at my house, I found my bag. I told my mom I need to bring my bag to the party.
Right, because you were going toward the party again.
But then I got confused. I saw a delicious cake on the table.
A cake? Did you bring the cake to the party?
I wanted to. My mom said, Theo, do not take that cake. It is for your father.
So she used take because you were moving away from her with the cake.
Yes, but I really wanted to bring that cake to the party. Everyone loves cake.
You are always thinking about food, Theo.
Food is important for learning Maya.
Let us try another scenario. Think about a restaurant.
I love restaurants, especially Italian restaurants.
Imagine you are at a pizza place. You finish your meal, but you have 2 slices of pizza left.
I never have pizza left, Maya. I eat everything.
Just imagine Theo. You want to eat the pizza at home later. What do you say to the waiter?
I say, can I take this pizza home?
Nice. Because you are moving away from the restaurant. In many countries, we call this takeaway food.
Ah, take away. I see that sign everywhere.
Yes, you take the food away from the restaurant to your house.
What if I call the restaurant from my house?
Then you are asking for delivery. The driver will bring the pizza to your house.
Because the driver is coming toward me.
Exactly.
This is very clear now. Bring for here, take for there.
It can also be used for people, Theo, not just things.
People? Can I bring a person?
Yes. For example, if you go to a party, you can ask the host, "Can I bring a friend?"
Because my friend and I are coming to the party.
Yes. And after the party, you might say to your friend, "I will take you home."
Because we are leaving the party and going to another place.
You got it.
What about when I go on vacation? Last year I went to Spain.
Did you bring back any souvenirs?
Yes, I brought back a small hat. But before I left, I had to take many things in my suitcase.
Correct. You took your clothes from your house to Spain, and then you brought the hat from Spain back to your house.
It feels like a big circle.
Learning a language is often like that. It is all about how you see the world.
I have another story, Maya. One time I was at the library.
You go to the library? I am surprised.
Hey, I like books. I was at the library and the librarian was very strict.
What did she say?
She said, Theo, you must take these books back to the shelf.
Because you were moving the books away from the table to the shelf.
Yes, but then she saw me with a coffee. She said, you cannot bring coffee into the library.
Because you were carrying the coffee toward the inside of the library.
I was very sad. I had to take my coffee outside and drink it fast.
At least you learned the difference between bring and take in a real situation.
My life is full of English lessons, Maya, even if I do not want them.
That is the best way to learn, Theo. You do not need to study grammar books for hours. You just need to look at your life.
I have a question about the office. Sometimes my boss says, Maya, please take these papers to the manager.
Yes, because the manager is in a different office. I am going away from my desk.
And then the manager says, please bring these papers back to Maya when you are finished.
Exactly, because the manager wants the papers to come back toward me.
I think I am starting to feel very confident.
Let us test it. I am at my house. You are at your house. We are talking on the phone.
Okay, I am listening.
I say, Theo, I am having a dinner party tonight. Do you want to come?
I say yes, I would love to. Should I bring some juice?
Perfect. And then I say, yes, please. Also, can you take your shoes off when you enter the house?
Wait, why take?
Because you are moving your shoes away from your feet.
Oh, that is a different use of take off.
Yes, English has many phrasal verbs with take, but the idea of moving away is often there. You are removing the shoes.
Like taking a hat off or taking a coat off.
Exactly. And what about bring? Do we have bring phrasal verbs?
I know one. Bring back. Like when I borrow a pen from you and I bring it back the next day.
Yes. You are returning it to me. It is moving toward me again.
This is actually very fun. I feel like a detective looking for directions.
You are a language detective, Theo.
I have another example. What if I am at school and I forgot my homework?
You can call your dad and say, "Dad, can you please bring my homework to school?"
Because I want the homework to come toward me at school.
Yes, but your dad might say, "I cannot come today. You should take more care of your things."
My dad says that a lot.
It is a common father thing to say.
So if I am leaving the house for school, my mom says, do not forget to take your lunch.
Yes, because you are going away from the house to the school.
And when I come home, I bring my empty lunchbox back.
You are a master of bring and take now, Theo.
I am the king of English.
Do not be too proud. There are many other words to learn.
I know. But this one was always hard for me. In my language, we sometimes use the same word for both.
Many languages are like that. That is why English learners often make this mistake.
It is good to know that I am not the only one.
Not at all. Even advanced students sometimes forget. The key is to think about the destination.
Destination here is bring. Destination there is take.
Exactly. Think of bring like a magnet pulling things toward you.
And take like a wind, blowing things away from you.
That is a very poetic way to put it, Theo. I did not know you were a poet.
I have many secrets, Maya.
I am sure you do, like the secret of why you are still holding that umbrella in the house.
Oh, I forgot. I should take it to the hallway and put it away.
Yes. Take it there.
And if I want to show you my new umbrella, I bring it here to show you.
You already showed it to me, Theo. It is very big and very yellow.
It is a beautiful umbrella. I take it everywhere I go.
Even when it is sunny?
You never know, Maya. The weather can change. I always bring an umbrella just in case.
Well, at least you used the words correctly.
I am very happy today. I think we should tell our friends about another word soon.
We will, but first I want to see if they understood today's lesson.
Good idea.
To everyone watching, we have a question for you.
Yes. Imagine you are going to a friend's birthday party.
Are you going to bring a gift or take a gift?
Tell us in the comments, and tell us why.
We love reading your stories and your examples. It helps you practice.
And remember, if you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe.
Share this video with your family. Maybe your brother or sister also needs help with bring and take.
I think my brother needs a lot of help. He takes my things all the time without asking.
Does he bring them back?
Sometimes. But usually I have to go to his room and take them back myself.
That sounds like a typical brother.
It is a lot of work being his brother.
Well, at least it gives you many chances to practice your English.
That is true. I am taking my energy to the gym now.
And bring me some water when you come back.
I will, Maya. I promise.
See you in the next video, everyone.
Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching Sidekick English.
Keep practicing.
And do not forget to take your English everywhere you go.
That was a good one, Theo.
I am trying, Maya. I am trying.